This tutorial shows you how to make Chrome automatically download PDF files instead of opening them in the browser. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, click on the three dots at the top right to open the Chrome menu. At this point, click on Settings. From there, click on Privacy and Security from the left side panel. After that, scroll down and click on Site Settings. In the next step, scroll down and click on Additional Content Settings. From there, click on PDF Documents. Once done, toggle on Download PDFs instead of automatically opening them in Chrome. Following this, go back and try clicking on any PDF link to confirm it now downloads automatically instead of opening in the browser. From here, if the PDF is still opening in Chrome instead of downloading, try right-clicking on the PDF link directly. At this stage, select Save Link As from the context menu to manually download it instead. After this, if you want to revert this setting later and have PDFs open in Chrome again, go back to the same PDF Documents section in Site Settings and toggle the setting back off. Keep in mind, this setting only affects how Chrome handles PDF files open through the browser. It does not change how PDF files saved on your PC are opened by default through File Explorer. Finally, click on a PDF link online and confirm it is now downloading directly to your PC instead of opening inside Chrome. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable auto download of PDF instead of opening in Chrome, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.